In this video, I'll solve these three questions explaining how to rationalize the numerator. Okay, so what do we mean by rationalizing the numerator? So we are simply multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. Okay, so what do we mean by conjugate? So let's say you have been given a plus b. What's the conjugate of a plus b? The conjugate of a plus b is a minus b, like that. Then if you have been given a minus b, its conjugate is a plus b. So we are simply changing the sign there. Okay. Then to rationalize the numerator, let's say you have been given a plus b over, let's say, k, like that. Then rationalize the numerator. So you are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. So it will be a minus b over a minus b. Then you just multiply these. It will be a plus b, like that. Then a minus b, like this, over k, a minus b. So you just simplify the numerator first. Okay, simplify the numerator first. That's what you should do. So if you look at this, a plus b, a minus b, what's this? This is actually coming from difference of two squares. If we have a squared minus b squared, when you factor out this one, you get a minus b, a plus b. So meaning the easiest way to simplify this one is to simply square a and b, then maintain the negative. So you say a squared minus b squared, like that, over k, a minus b. Okay, so this is basically what we'll be doing in order to solve these questions. Okay, so let's now solve the questions. So a, we have root of 2x plus 2h, then over, actually that is minus root of 2x, then everything over h. Okay, so this is what we have. How can we rationalize the numerator? So we should just change the sign there, then multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. So this is what we do. 2x plus 2h minus root of 2x over h, then you multiply by the conjugate. So it will be 2x plus 2h plus, you change the sign there. Okay, you get 2x there, then over, you repeat the same conjugate. You have 2x plus 2h, then plus root of 2x. Okay, so let's now multiply. So for the numerator, we get this is root of 2x plus 2h minus root of 2x. This is being multiplied by, so we have 2x plus 2h, then plus root of 2x. Okay, then everything over, that's h, which we multiply by. So we have 2x plus 2h, then plus root of 2x, like that. So here you can just use the concept of difference of two squares, whereby you maintain the negative sign and square each of the terms. Okay, so you square this and square that. So here, this is what you get. Root of 2x plus 2h squared, like that, then maintain the negative. It will be root of 2x squared over h, then we have 2x plus 2h plus root of 2x, like that. Then this square root and that square, they'll simplify. You remain with 2x plus 2h minus 2x, then over, that's h, we have 2x plus 2h, then plus root of 2x, meaning that 2x and 2x will simplify there, then you remain with actually even h there and h will simplify. Then the answer will be 2 over, this is root of 2x plus 2h plus root of 2x. So as you can see, we no longer have any root on the numerator, meaning this is now rationalized. We have rationalized the numerator. Okay, let's proceed to B. So for B, we have that's root of x plus h plus 1 minus root of x plus 1, then everything over h. Okay, so this is what we have. So let's multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. So we'll do this, x plus h plus 1 minus x plus 1 over h. Then we say we are multiplying there, so it will be x plus h plus 1. Then we are changing that minus to plus, then to be x plus 1 over, you repeat the same conjugate, x plus h plus 1 plus root of x plus 1, like that. Okay, we continue. So it means that when multiplying there, this is what we get, x plus h plus 1 minus root of x plus 1, then we have the conjugate x plus h plus 1 plus root of x plus 1, everything over this h multiplied by what we have this side. So we'll get x plus h plus 1 plus root of x plus 1, like that. Then here we can treat this one as difference of two squares, meaning that we just maintain the negative and square this term and this term. Okay, or in simpler terms, we can say we're multiplying the first term by the first term, this second term by the second term this side. This is the easiest way you can use to simplify conjugates. Okay, so here we are saying this squared will end up having x plus h plus 1. Then when you square this term, so we have minus there, you get x plus 1. Okay, then over h, that's x plus h plus 1 plus, this is root of x plus 1. We continue, we have x plus h plus 1, that's minus x minus 1. Then everything over h, this is root of x plus h plus 1 plus root of x plus 1. So as you can see, this x and that x will simplify. Then this is positive 1, that's negative 1, meaning they will simplify. We are remaining with what? H there. Then there's that h. They will also simplify. Okay, just remain with a 1 as the numerator, the denominator rather. Then over x plus h plus 1, then plus root of x plus 1. Okay, so that's it. You check, you can't simplify any further. So that's the final answer. Okay, so then let's move on to C. And actually, before we solve C, if you need more of my lessons in CH 110, MA 110, BI 110, and also PH 110, you can text on WhatsApp. For more online lessons, you can text on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's solve the last one. We have C, that's 2 root of x plus h minus 2 root of x over h. So this is what we have. Let's rationalize the numerator. So we know that we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. So this will be 2, that's x plus h minus 2 root of x over h, then multiply by, so say 2, that's x plus h. So this negative there in between will change to positive, that's 2 root of x over 2 x plus h plus 2 root of x. Okay, then we multiply, meaning we can write this as 2 x plus h minus 2 root of x, then we have 2 x plus h plus 2 root of x over h, then 2 x plus h plus 2 root of x. Okay, then here we do the same. Okay, you just square this term and that term, then maintain the negative as long as you are multiplying anything by its conjugate. Okay, so here we get, if we square this term, we get 2 x plus h, that's squared, minus, so we have 2 root of x squared, and everything over h2, that's x plus h plus 2 root of x. Okay, so let's continue to the next page. Okay, continue to the next page. Let me just copy what we have here. So we have 2, that's x plus h squared minus 2 root of x squared over, this is h, then 2 x plus h plus 2 root of x. Okay, so you 2 squared will give us what? 4. Then this root and the square will simplify, meaning will remain with what? X plus h minus 2 squared, there is 4. Then the root will simplify with the square, will remain with 4x. Then over, that's h, 2 x plus h, that's plus 2 root of x. Okay, then here we can multiply everything by 4 to get 4x plus 4h minus 4x over, so this would be, so as you can see 2 is common there, it's possible to factor out 2. Okay, so that you have 2h, then root of x plus h plus root of x. 4x minus 4x, it will be 0 just. So we'll remain with 4h over, this is 2h root of x plus h plus root of x. Okay, h and h will simplify. 2 into 4, that's 2, meaning the final answer is 2 over root of x plus h plus root of x. So as you can see, the numerator is free of the radical, so meaning this is our final answer. Okay, so that's it for this video. Then you can text for more lessons. Hope you have understood.